morning! Welcome to another vlog. Ayan, today is October 5. Ang bilis ng araw, October 5 na. Ayan, so kailangan ibilad yung mga, yan, kagaya nakikita nyo, kinukuha ni Ama yung mga kahoy doon kasi kailangan ibilad doon sa may harapan since maganda yung araw today. Ayan, ang aliwalas. And kahapon ang aliwalas din, nakapagpatuyo kami ng aming mga nilabhan. And ayun yung pinsan ni Asis. Nag-harvest na din sila ng kanilang palay. Ang bilis nilang mag-harvest. I mean, ang bilis, mahinog yung kanilang palay. Ayan. Ayan yung bahay nila. Ayan. Dumating yung anak niya na nagtatrabaho sa Japan. Ayan. So, ha-harvest na sila. Ang bilis nilang mag-harvest. Samantalang sa amin, wala pa. When we gonna harvest our rice? Not yet ready? Hindi pa ready yung yung palay sa amin. Huling-huli. Huling-huli talagang palay naming mahinog. Harvest na sila. Sila-sila lang yan, yung tatay, tapos yung dalawang anak na lalaki, tapos yung mga anak niyang babae. Sila-sila lang yung mga nag-harvest, sila-sila lang din yung nagtatanim sa lupain nila. Ang lawak ng lupain ng mga yan. May lupain pa sila doon sa may palayan, sa may malapit sa highway. Ang mahal ng lupa. How much the land, Asis? How much?
1 square, 48 lakhs.
48 lakhs. Isang ganun lang. Simula doon, simula doon sa may daanan, papunta doon sa dulo. Papunta doon sa dulo. Tapos makitid lang siya. Half lang nito. Half lang nitong, ayan. 48 lakhs na. Yung Pero malaki kasi yung pera nila, gawa nung anak niyang lalaki na sa Japan dun nagwo-work. May anak din siyang babae na sa Japan. This one, Asis, the one from Japan?
No.
I know. This is the brother. Yeah, that brother from Japan?
No.
Iba.
The small second.
Okay. Dumating siya, mga isang buwan pa lang siya dito, nakakauwi. For vacation, Asis?
I don't know.
Ayan, kaya ang laki nung pera nila. Pinambili nila ng lupa galing sa Japan. Hindi pa ready. Itong isa ang nangingialam. Babo! Asher? Sige. Bring in front of the house. Tara. Be careful, anak ko, Asis. It's pointed, the wood. It's dangerous, be. It's dangerous, anak ko. Lakad. Walang katapusang lakad. Tingnan ko nga yung aming palay. Green pa, hindi pa hinog. Kaya, hindi pa hinog, hindi pa siya hinog. Kaya, hindi pa ma-harvest. Ito din, hindi pa. May dumaang butterfly sa mukha ko. Then, ito din, kinasunil din, nag-harvest na sila. Ayan. Guys! So, kailangan kong magdidig ulit init ng halaman kasi walang ulan. Medyo dry yung medyo dry yung lupa. May natuwa sa halaman ko. Nanghingi siya ng halaman kahapon. Binigyan ni Ama. Yung mouse ni Asis. Nagandahan sila sa halaman ko kaya sila nanghingi. Dito sa amin walang ulan pero sa Kathmandu nag-uulan. Sa Kathmandu naman ngayon ang ulan. No, how many days now, yeah? There's no rain here. Oh, have already bags. Look. Having flowers soon.
Hi, Mami Jo.
Very nice, look. So, no? During winter, I will fix this one. I will hang some, but I need button. Oh, very nice. Okay. So, ayan guys, shout out time na tayo. Shout out to Lynn from Toronto, Canada. Shout out to Wailami at sa mga taga Biliran daw. Ayan. Shout out to Mami Denise and her daughter Kulindao from Batangas. Shout out to Jeline Dizon. Happy birthday sa baby ni Mami Janet Gumapak. Ayan, birthday niya sa October 29. Shout out to Grace Dokog and family from Marikina. Ayan. Shout out to Charlotte Indino. Shout out to Miss Susana Lucena Timbresa. Shout out to Linlin Kita. Happy birthday po kay Miss Eva Liwanag. October 12 po ang kanyang birthday. Shout out to Emma Saspa. Ayan, from Pampanga. Shout out po sa Magdaog family from Occidental Mindoro. Shout out to Alma Cruz Vlogs from Cagayan de Oro City. Shout out to Alex73 Santos. Ayan. Shout out to May Prado from Boracay, Aklan. And shout out to Sulasco and Kampahinay family. Happy birthday to Josephine Garcia. Birthday po niyo October 8. Shout out to Hannah Sabal. Shout out to Susan Dumalaon. Shout out to Alegre and Pareha family. Shout out to Jackie Sevilla from Sydney, Australia. Shout out to Kison family from Cavite. Shout out to Eric Pagayatan. Shout out to Janik Amore. Shout out to Amelia Francisco. Shout out to Lina Tistik from Panique, Tarlac. Shout out to Yorin Ong. Shout out to Mary Esmile. Shout out to Olivia Domingo from Sulipa, Herona, Tarlac. Happy birthday to Niza Ribose, 12 years old po siya. Shout out to Berna Fonilas. Shout out to Bless Garcia na taga San Roque, Magalang, Pampanga. Yan. Shout out to Pai Garcia, Chris Briones, Karen Liwanag, Lane Briones, and Casey Liwanag. Ayan. Shout out to Delia Bangcote from Spain. Shout out to Mel Vlog. Ayan. Shout out to Raynon family, kina Mr. and Mrs. Vic and Mylene family from Bawa, Gonzaga, Cagayan Valley. Yan. Shout out to Mr. Noli Nuestro from Liza Roda. Shout out to Grisil Ragada. Ayan. Shout out to Marty Pahiwon. And shout out to Ronnie Manuel na taga Panudon, Norte Apari, Cagayan, from Betty from Abu Dhabi. Shout out to Pedro Oreo from Shane Manuel. Ayan. Shout out to Maricel Froilan Biasing. Shout out to Crisel Sunga na magpapakabait daw lagi from Ate Marinel Sunga. Ayan. Shout out to Living with a Filipina Minimalist from General Santos City. Shout out to Rosemary Punzalan. Shout out to Castillo and Carter family from Pangasinan. Happy birthday po kay Miss Erlinda Denyo Lasco. Birthday niyo October 10. And happy birthday din po kay Mary Rose Balbin. October 6 naman po kanyang birthday from Pangasinan. And shout out to Wency Coloma. Yan. Shout out to Lovely Vlog. Happy birthday to Taho Garcia. October 8 po ang kanyang birthday from Tondo. Shout out to Nojits Enigmata. Shout out to Nuf Compra from Hong Kong. Ayan. Shout out daw kay Bes Rohanida Bazar at si Day Norhaya Alilaya from Hadja Baywata, Otoasan. Shout out to Miss Dangwen Manansala. Shout out to Annabel Cuevas. Shout out kay Pinay sa Nepal. Ayan, shout out to Miss Fisga. Shout out kay Ulani Escobar. Shout out to Riza Conde from Caloocan City. Shout out to Maria Cristina Dilema. Shout out to Grade Mars. Shout out to Cheryl Morfe. Happy birthday po kay Jocelyn Rubis. Birthday po niyo October 13. Happy birthday po kay Kiana Bayhon. Birthday niya kahapon, October 4. Shout out to Anne-Marie Chu from Taiwan. Happy Teacher's Day po sa lahat ng mga taga Silangan Elementary School Taguig. Happy birthday din po kay Yunil Kabuga. Birthday po niya yesterday, October 4. And shout out to Rin Oronyo from Pangasinan. Ayan. Shout out to Nati Batula. Shout out to Ellen Akain from Samar and Marilyn Akain from Samar. Shout out to Rose Balderrama Rose. Ayan. Happy birthday to Denmer Nicole. 8 years old daw po siya. And shout out to Norberto De Castro. Shout out to Julie Sagitan. Happy Teacher's Day po sa lahat ng mga taga Napindan Integrated School. Shout out to Marilu Lial. Shout out to Lucila Rendon from Multinational Paranaque. And shout out kay Ate Liza 22. Yan ang kanyang YouTube channel, guys. And happy birthday po kay Jardy Nathan Antalan. Ayan, 8 years, October 8 ang kanyang birthday. So, ayan lang yung mga nabakrid ko nagpapa-shoutout, guys. Thank you again for watching. And see you in my next vlog. Bye and God bless us. So